Hello friends, my name is Chaitali. I am from Woodpecker batch. This is my second project, MedSolver. This is easy project I choose. In that MedSolver, this is my documentation. I run this program in command prompt. This is the command prompt python meshsolver.py input file dash o output file, and second method is methsolver.py input file dash I input file dash o output file, and uh, next dash d destination, for which destination you find. And this is my short description is MethSolver. In that MethSolver, I use file handling, and in this create matrix file, which present input file as read one. Input file read in function MethSolver applies BFS. I use BFS because this is BFS is easy as compared to other. That's why. And in write maze matrix function, convert visited list into matrix which sorted in and display in output file. In this my short explanation in my project. This is my project code. Sorry, I don't know. This is why not open. Mm, yeah, this is my MedSolver project code. In this MedSolver, most important is get path. This is left move, right move, up move, and down move. And now I then append all this position, left move position, right move position, up move, and down move. In this my project, this is function MedSolver is most important work in this my project. In this I use Q because in BFS you store your value in Q. That's why I use Q. In that, when your starting point and ending point connect a specific path, then it gives message a path is present. And then your starting point and ending point, uh, yeah, your ending point is 0 and starting point is 1. That's give message path is not present and output file present minus 1. This is my uh, project description. See, I can also run this project in command prompt. This is my command. When I enter this path, it gives message path is not present. Then it's check. uh, This is input file. Why this is path is not present? uh, because in the fourth row and third column it gives 0. That's why output is path is not present and -1. Then I give 1, then I will check. This is path is not present. Why not? Input file. This is why. This is my project. Hope you understand. This is my project. Hope you understand better. Thank you.